Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we'll be solving a problem when something went wrong appears on your ChatGPT. Let me just open my ChatGPT link, and now currently I have no problems as of now, so I looked for an image that says something went wrong. So if this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at help.open.ai.com. Right. Now, technically, these problems can be solved with some few easy ways if you see this error. So the first thing you can do is just refreshing your browser and see if it works. You may start by doing right-click on your mouse and then click on reload. All right. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then the browser will reload again and then see if something changed. Now, if it still doesn't work, you could also try closing your browser and then type ChatGPT again and then wait for a couple of seconds and see if it works. So you could just go on the top right corner, close the browser, and then once you close the browser, type it again. You can say ChatGPT. If the problem still persists, you could try deleting your cookies by going over the icon in the search bar on the left, right here, where the website is written, and then find cookies, site, and data. Site and data. Click on Manage on Device Site Data, and you can just click all the trash bins here and then click Done. Once you have done that, you can also, again, reload the page and then hope for it to work again. Now, if that option still didn't work, you can also clear your browser history and try again. So you could do that by going to the three dots here and then go to History, click on History, and then Clear Browsing Data. So click everything that's here and then clear data. Once that's done, refresh the browser or maybe reload the browser, see if that solved the problem. Now, you may also try by logging in your account again. If see that worked, you could go here on the bottom left and then click on log out and then log in your account again. There are some cases that maybe they have a lot of traffic going on, which means a lot of users have been using ChatGPT at the same time as you. Now, showing you this error, it says we're experiencing exceptionally high demand. Please hang tight as we work on our scaling systems. And if you want a better solution among all these problems regarding ChatGPT, the best thing you could do is to upgrade to ChatGPT 4 or by going to the upgrade plans that they have here. So you go on the bottom left, click on upgrade plan, and they will show you different options that they have. So upgrading to Plus includes everything from free and few additional features like ChatGPT 4, which is the most capable model, and access to additional tools like DALL-E. DALL-E is an AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. So that wraps up the problems and solutions on fixing your problems on ChatGPT. So thanks for watching the video. Happy chatting.